Happy birthday.
Yeah, well, but you gotta sing first.
Say, happy to you.
Here, Max. Happy birthday to you. Here, do it so we can hear it.
Happy. No.
Oh, but we gotta do it before I come blow the candles down. You can help me?
You. We can't light the candles until you sing the song. Ready?
Hi.
Okay, ready. Happy. Come on. Ready?
No.
Happy birthday you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie.
Auntie.
Happy to Happy.
Okay.
Okay,
now-
get Auntie kisses. Auntie kisses.
We gotta get Rob and then we get to light the candle.
Thank you
We
very
gotta get Rob first. 'Cause so you can
Good